Ever pondered how technical SEO could be the secret weapon to supercharge your site's performance and indexing? Today we unravel this mystery and guide you through the process step by step. In the vast digital landscape, standing out can be a Herculean task, yet with the right tools and knowledge, one can navigate through this terrain with ease. One of those powerful tools is Technical SEO. Technical SEO, in essence, is the process of optimizing your website for the crawling and indexing phase. It's about improving the infrastructure of your site to enhance search engine visibility, thereby boosting your site's performance and indexing. But how does one go about this? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the world of technical SEO. Our first stop is the site architecture. A well-structured site aids search engines to understand and rank your content. Think of it as a well-organized library where books are easy to find. This involves creating a logical hierarchy, utilizing internal linking, and employing breadcrumbs to enhance user navigation. Next up is mobile optimization. With a majority of internet users accessing the web from their mobile devices, ensuring that your site is mobile-friendly is a must. This includes responsive design, quick load times, and easy navigation for a seamless mobile experience. We then turn our attention to site speed. A slow-loading site can be a visitor's nightmare, leading to higher bounce rates. Prioritize improving your site's load speed by optimizing images, leveraging browser caching, and reducing server response time. Remember, a faster site equals happier visitors and consequently better rankings. Fourth on our list is XML sitemaps. These are essentially roadmaps for search engines, guiding them to the important pages on your site. Creating and submitting an XML sitemap can significantly improve your site's visibility and indexing. Lastly, we focus on Secure Sockets Layer, or SSL. In today's digital age, security is paramount. An SSL certificate not only protects your site's data, but also enhances your search engine rankings. To wrap up, remember these key points. Optimize your site architecture for better understanding and ranking. Ensure mobile optimization for a seamless user experience. Improve site speed for lower bounce rates. Utilize XML sitemaps for better visibility. And secure your site with SSL for enhanced security and ranking. Technical SEO might seem intimidating, but with these steps, you're well on your way to a better performing and well-indexed site. So go forth and conquer the digital world with your newly enhanced site.